Guys, today I want to show you how to see available random access memory on your Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Open Settings application in it. Scroll down and look for our About Phone selection, and there we must find our build number because we need to activate our develop mode to see our available random access memory. Tap sometimes our build number and enter our look screen to get connected to our develop mode. Now we go back and choose system and updates. When we have new additional option, developer option, and it memory, and there we have information about our available random access memory. That's now it's 2.099 gigabytes. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.